Hi everyone, my name is Ido Bitan. I'm the Director of Product Management with StrataSys, and we are the manufacturer and distributor of 3D printers. What we do at StrataSys is we create lifelike anatomical models. So basically we can do visual models like the model that you see right here, very impressive, but again, this is just plastic. You cannot operate this model. So we move to the next generation of models where you can actually operate on. These models have lifelike behavior. They behave just like the human anatomy, and then you can do live operations, pre-surgical planning or training before you go into the OR, and actually train your surgeons on how to do complex procedures. The variety of models that we can create is endless and basically depends on the customer or the designer of the models. We produce the materials and the material combination in order to reach the mechanical properties that mimic the organ. For instance, in this model of a spine, the vertebrae, if you drill through them or insert a pedicle screws to them, it will feel just like you're inserting them into a real patient, and that gives the viability of the actual procedure that you're going to be doing in the OR later. Another thing that we have for you is a material that is called radio matrix, a material that actually has Hounsfield values under CT and X-ray. You can actually match them to match the right required values, and then you can create models like this model that if I'll actually take it and scan it under CT, it will look just like the live patient. That way you can train and be more prepared for an operation. And if you want to get in touch with us, you can visit stratasys.com or reach any one of our reps across the board. We have representatives all across the US and Europe and the world. Thank you.